Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will share and guide you how to implement mass messaging on Facebook. First of all, this is MKT Care software of my company. This will be the software to help you manage a series of Facebook accounts. You can be adding unlimited Facebook accounts into software to support management and advertising. Implement the automated functions of the software. First, go to the messaging function. Choose messaging. After that, you can choose give me an account. These are my Facebook accounts. And the second thing is that you're going to set up your own settings. Those are the configurations that you're going to deploy messaging in. This is the break between the two actions. Next, choose this content. I will choose to agree with the content. The next, it will have three functions. One is to send a message by profile ID. Second, send a message to friends. Third, send a message to the page. Here I will run the function of sending your message for profile ID. That's a guide for you. I chose no duplication. Next, enter the ID of the account. Here, I've scanned out a series of customer profile IDs. Then you save it. I'll send it here. Each account sends about 3 IDs. Select Remove ID to avoid duplication. And finally, you just have to choose your Facebook account, and you press the Start button.